Hello, I am Satyabrata. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come here with a new MCQ question on stability of resonance structure. The question is find out the correct stability order of the following resonance structure. Here the molecule, the name of this molecule is diazomethane, and these are the resonance structure of diazomethane. The resonance structure for diazomethane do not contribute equally, so let's find out the correct order of the stability. Okay. So here I am to start with structure 3, H2C single bond N triple bond N. So here in the question the non-bonded electrons are not mentioned. So actually here I am to indicate the non-bonded electron. So negative charge on carbon, and as number of bond arising from this nitrogen are 4, so we need to put a positive charge, and here there is another non-bonded electron on terminal nitrogen. So this is structure 3. So now this non-bonded electron forms a pi bond between carbon and nitrogen, and this pi bond breaks and the pi electron moves on the terminal nitrogen. So structure would be H2C. So here there will be new pi bond and there will be new non-bonded electron on terminal nitrogen. Previously there was a non-bonded electron, so here number of bond arising from this nitrogen are 4, so we need to put a positive charge, and here the formal charge on nitrogen is -1, so there is a -1. So according to the question, this is the structure 1. Okay, now I'll redraw the no, okay, fine. So there will be now this pi bond. Okay, now this red pi bond can break. Now this pi electron moves on the central nitrogen atom. Then what will be the structure? H2C okay. So now the pi electron is on nitrogen, central nitrogen, as non-bonded electron, and here number of bond arising from this carbon is 3, so we need to put a positive charge on this carbon. Now I'll rewrite the structure 3. Now this is the pi bond. Now this pi bond, this pi electron can move to the central nitrogen. Then the structure will be H2C minus single bond nitrogen. Now nitrogen, there will be one non-bonded electron on nitrogen because this pi bond breaks. And number of bond arising from this terminal nitrogen is 2, so we need to put a positive charge on the terminal nitrogen. So according to the question, this is structure this is structure 4 and this is structure 2. Now concentrate on structure 3 and structure 1. So see, structure 3 and structure 1, this both structure has complete octet. They have complete octet, but in structure 1 negative charge resides on the more electronegative nitrogen atom, but here negative charge resides on less electronegative carbon atom. Okay, So structure 1 will be more stable than structure 3. But in structure 2 and structure 4, both are open octet. What do you mean by open octet? This is structure 4 is also open octet because this nitrogen has number of electron in this nitrogen is 6. But here also number of electron on this carbon is 6. So this is also open octet because number of electron is less than 8. So the structure 2 and structure 4 are open octet. So obviously open octet structure is less stable than that of complete octet. But when we are comparing between class 2 and 4, see on structure 4 the positive charge resides on more electronegative atom, that is on nitrogen atom, but here negative charge resides on more electronegative atom. So obviously for this reason structure 2 is more stable than structure 4. So 1 greater than 3 greater than 2 greater than 4, this is the correct stability order. So the option will be B will be the correct answer. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, and make sure to subscribe for more. Okay, bye.